Okay, everybody on YouTube, this is my husband. His name is Philip. We've been together since I was in 5th or 4th grade. I'm not sure which. So that's...
Quick one.
So, so that's been like 5 years.
Brother Matthew.
4.
Since I've been with Philip.
Philip?
Yeah, this is Philip.
Oh, that's Philip. Let's
Yeah.
see. What in the world? You got a boyfriend that doesn't have the Holy Ghost?
He's my He's my husband.
He's the best husband you'll ever have.
He is, I know. Except for he made me fall
Hi.
at family camp.
How are you? Hi, Chrissy. How are you? That's good to hear. You guys wish your youth leader would get a limo?
Yes.
Yes.
Why don't you get a...
Would that rock?
It certainly rock.